Hi friends, I am Kapil Mohore. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So today we are going to learn the marquee tag in HTML. So let's start. HTML, then head, the title. Use the title name of marquee. Then I'm going to close the title using a forward slash. Then I'm going to close the head tag. Then I'm going to use the body tag here. Then I'm going to use the marquee tag. This is the marquee tag. I have to use the behavior attribute. Behavior is equal to double inverted comma slider. Then close, enter. I am a remember I'm going to use small letters. I am a computer science student. I'm a computer science student. Then I'm going to close the marquee tag. I have to use a forward slash here for closing the tag. Then I'm going to close the body tag. Then I'm going to close the slash html. So now I have to save this file. I'm going to save the file on desktop. I will give the name of marquee. This is the file name. I have to use the extension of HTML and then save as a type all files. Now I'm going to save. The file has been created successfully. Now I'm going to use the web browser here. This is my file, a marquee tag. Now I'm open. Look at this. This is the output. I am a computer science student. Now I'm going to use some attribute of marquee tag here. So next attribute is a bgcolor. bgcolor is equal to, for example, orange. Control S. So I will refresh here. Look at this. The orange color has appeared on the marquee. The slide is going on the left, right. So now I will use here the h1 tag. H1 means it is a heading tag. I will use h1. Now I have closed the control S. I have saved this attribute. h1, it is a tag, not an attribute. Look at that. I am a computer science student. That text is sliding from left to right side. The background color appear on that slide. orange color is there. Now I'm going to use the direction. So it means where to slide of our text. So I use the direction attribute here. Direction is equal to, I'm going to use the right, RIGST, right, and I will save here the file. Look at this, look at that, the output is there. Our text is moving from right to left side. So I'm going to use also height attribute here. Height is equal to, for example, I am going to 300 pixels. Okay, I will refresh it here. Look at that, that background color height has been increased, and text size is same there, and sliding is there, right to left. Now I'm going to use the width attribute of marquee tag. Here I'm going to use the width attribute. Width is equal to double inverted comma. For example, I'm going to use 200 pixels. I'm going to save. I will refresh it here. The width, I have used the width attribute. Look at that, the output using the width attribute. Now I will use also hspace attribute here. So I will change the hspace. Hspace means horizontal space. hspace, this attribute specifies the size of margin to the left and right side of the marquee. So I'm going to use the attribute here. hspace is equal to, for example, I'm going to use 50 pixels, double inverted comma. I'm going to save, refresh it here. Look at that. So right side from there 25 I think 50 pixels has been moved there, the output on screen. If I use here 100 pixels, what will be the output? Look at this. Look at that, the 100 pixels has been moved right side. Okay, now I'm going to use the vspace. This attribute specifies the size of margin from the top up and bottom side of the marquee. So I'm going to use the vspace here. Vspace is equal to, for example, I'm going to use the 200 pixels, double inverted comma, control S. Look at that output. So I'm going to use the loop attribute of marquee tag. Loop is equal to double inverted comma. For example, I'm going to use a four times my text has to be moved. Look at that. Process is going on. When it comes to 5th time, then it will stop the process. Now I'm going to use So I will explain it the loop attribute first of all. This attribute specifies how many times the scrolling is done. By default, a scroll is done infinite times. So I have used the 4 times there. So I will refresh it here first of all. Look at that, process is going on. It will run 4 times. When it comes 5th times, then it will not appear on the screen. Now I'm going to use a scroll delay attribute here of marquee tag. Scroll delay is equal to, for example, I am going to use 50 pixels space. Look at that output. The explanation of scroll delay: this attribute controls the scrolling speed of marquee text. Specify the low value for smoother but slow scrolling, and specify the high value for fast scrolling. So I am going to use the low value here. First of all, I am going to use a 5, and I will refresh it here. Look at that, the scrolling speed is decreases. If I use here a 1, the scroll delay, the speed will decrease. Look at that. Now I am going to use the scroll amount here. This is also attribute of marquee tag. Scroll amount is equal to, for example, 50. Look at that speed. So all attribute I have run here, I have explained here. So please subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell icon, and I will come to another video, another concept. So please wait for that another video. Thank you very much.